Lesson 2, From Color to Grayscale and Duotone. Part 1, Desaturate. Open the color photo that you want to convert to grayscale. Go under the Image menu, under Adjustments, and choose Desaturate. Part 2, Black and White. Click the Create New Fill or Adjustment layer and choose the Black and White. You can use a few sliders. Part 3, Custom Grayscale using Channel Mixer. Click the Create New Fill or Adjustment layer and choose the Channel Mixer. You can use a few sliders. Part 4, Creating Duotone. Click the Create New Fill or Adjustment layer and choose the Hue, Saturation. Check the Colorize checkbox and use the 3 sliders. Before and after. Before. Using the Desaturate. Using the Black and White. Using the Channel Mixer. Creating the duotone. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnvideotutorials.com.